Lorenzo, looking back 7 years ago, I never thought we would be here today. We've had tons of great times together, but we've also had a lot of tough and trying times. And in those times, any guy would have quit and walked away, but not you. It was in those difficult moments that I knew I wanted to marry you. You loved me at my best and loved me more at my worst. And I'm the luckiest girl because I get to marry my best friend.
We are coming today to accompany Lorenzo and Aileen this very important day. They are coming to ask for the sacrament gift to one another, sacrament of marriage, as God's presence and God's blessing for the rest of your life together.
Aileen, the love of my life. The day I met you, my life changed. The way you make me feel, it's hard to explain. You make me smile in a special kind of way. You're my first thought in the morning, and you're my last thought before I fall asleep. 7 years ago, I knew you were the love of my life, and the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
The friend who makes me laugh uncontrollably every single day. The friend I can lean on when things get tough or when I just need to talk your ear off. You are my person, the person that takes me back to high school years when we get super nerdy and play Xbox all night. And in those moments, I fall in love all over again. I can't wait to sing and dance in the truck for the years to come, and I can't wait to see you at 3 p.m. You're going to look so hot. I can't wait to be your wife. Love forever, your best friend and wife, Aileen.